Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to replace the fusor pressure roller and fusor fixing film on the fusor of Lexmark MX410. This is our fusor. First we need to take out this metal bracket. How to do this? Just unscrew these two screws here. Be careful because there are two springs under. This is our metal bracket. Now just pick up this fixing film assembly. This is our assembly for the fixing film, and under it we see this pressure roller assembly. So, how to replace the fixing film? Take a look from this side. Take a look here. From this side, just push slightly and take out this plastic cover. Be careful because we have here some spring, not to lose it. Here is our spring. And take out the old fixing film. It's a little bit dirty. We have to clean it very well. Usually I use paper towel, kitchen roll. Also you can use isopropyl alcohol, but it has to be cleaned very well. Now we are okay. Let's take out the new fixing film. This is our new fixing film. Before placing it, we have to apply some fusor film lubricant on the surface. Now, after we have applied this lubricant, we have to put the new fixing film here. note that the fixing film has one black end and one end in the other end is without this black line. The black line always is near to these cables. Yes, we are already here, and now we have to apply this side. And now the spring. Here it is. And finally, this part. And now we are ready. Now we have to replace this pressure roller. How to replace it? Let's take out the new. This is our new pressure roller. And put it back in place. Now we have to put back this fusel film sleeve back here. Just take it carefully and push it down. And look, we have to place the springs here. Also, we have to apply this metal panel here. Just push and push down and push forward to apply these hooks to the holes. And finally, we have to screw these screws here. And we are done. Thank you very much and good luck.